I'm at the Ashridge House Classic British Car Show, and is most definitely a British bank holiday, because earlier on it was chucking it down with rain, and now it's absolutely beautiful, and no doubt it will be chucking it down with rain again later. I didn't bring the GoPros with me, no tripods or anything, so I'm afraid it's a bit of shaky camera phone video, but I thought I'd just share some of the fantastic cars here with you. It's a Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. Far more modern Bentley. That's a 1935 Bentley 3.5. It's a Bentley S3. Quite tasty. It's a Jaguar XJ8. Quite a few E-Type Jags here today. All of them in very nice condition. Of course, we've got some very nice modern Jaguars as well. And some not so modern Jags. Morris Minor. This is a Jaguar XK RS. This is a pair of Riley RMs built between 1945 and 57. We've got more Rileys, a British Mark that's fairly long gone, a very nice MGB sat next to a couple more E-Type Jags. It's a rather tasty Morgan. And an Austin 7. This is an Aston Martin Lagonda limited edition coupe made in 1994. Lotus Evora. Looks like one guy might own both of these actually. Lucky, very lucky. A nice pair of McLarens here. Beautifully restored classic Mini.